Good morning vlog. It is 9 a.m. and I thought I would take you guys on a little morning reset with me, a little mini vlog. So yeah, come with me this morning. Okay, so every morning I let my dog out. The very first thing I do when I get up. Okay, the next thing I do is write in my gratitude journal. So I'll show you guys my gratitude journal and what it looks like. So the quote on it today at the top says, work hard, have fun, and make history. And then the questions that I have to fill out are things I'm grateful for, 3 things. And then what would make today great, 3 things. And then a daily affirmation, it says, I am ... And then, so it stops right there. And then I fill out these 2 things at night, which are amazing things that happened today and how could I have made today better. So I'm going to fill this out really fast. Okay, now I need to make my bed. I finished filling out the gratitude journal. Okay, now that we've done my gratitude journal, we've brushed our teeth, we've made the bed, I think I should have a coffee now. Personally, I'm an iced coffee girl. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I drink way more iced coffee than I do hot, but I like both, so. But today we're making an iced coffee. Here's my little cup. Okay, I put ice in my coffee cup. And then I do a little bit of this 0 sugar, 0 calories salted caramel syrup. And then so I put about that much syrup in it. And then I'm gonna take this, also 0 sugar, creamer French vanilla. And I'm gonna add about that much for starters. Mix them together. Let's put this up. And then I'm gonna take my Starbucks medium roast and fill it. Okay, my aesthetic little coffee cup. And then I take my straw and my lid. Give it a mix. And a taste test. So good. Okay, I'm staying in my PJs because I don't have anywhere to be today. So I think I can just get everything done in my PJs. My room's pretty clean. I don't really have anything to pick up, but that's what I would do next on a little reset. So I think I'm gonna just sit down and do some editing on my computer. Okay, you guys, it is now 12 o'clock and I woke up at 9. So I've been working for a little bit now. I think this is where I'm gonna end it because it's technically noon now, so that was all I did this morning. If you enjoyed videos like this, let me know. I'll make more and I'll make them more in detail. But yeah, this was just kind of a rough draft of what I do in the mornings when I need a little reset to get stuff done. So with that being said, hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.